The professionals, the dreamers, and the heavy hitters have been waiting in the shadows for years. Since the original space gray iMac Pro was discontinued, there has been a massive gaping hole in Apple's lineup. We've had the Mac Studio and the Mac Pro, but they require cables, external monitors, and a cluttered desk. The dream was always an all-in-one that didn't compromise, a machine that combined the elegance of the iMac with the raw, unbridled power of a workstation. Well, the wait is over. The rumors have coalesced, the supply chain has leaked, and the monster has finally been unleashed. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This is the new Apple iMac Pro. And if you think you've seen speed before, you aren't prepared for what happens when Apple puts an M5 Ultra chip behind a 32-inch 6K mini LED display. If you are watching this right now, you are likely someone who pushes hardware to its absolute breaking point. You're the editor dealing with 8K raw footage, the developer compiling millions of lines of code, or the 3D artist rendering worlds that don't exist yet. You don't just want a computer. You want a tool that disappears so your creativity can take over. The iMac Pro 2026 is designed to be that invisible partner. Today, we are going beyond the surface. We are looking at the thermal architecture that allows a razor-thin chassis to house a workstation-class GPU, the revolutionary nanotexture glass that redefines clarity, and why this machine is about to make every standalone monitor on the market look like a toy. Let's start with the visual centerpiece, the display. For years, the 24-inch iMac was the only option, leaving pros feeling cramped. But the iMac Pro marks the return of the 32-inch form factor. This isn't just a bigger screen, it's a technological marvel. We are looking at a 6K Retina XDR display utilizing tandem OLED and mini LED technology. What does that mean for you? It means blacks that are infinitely deep and a peak brightness of 2000 nits. If you are working in HDR, you are finally seeing exactly what your camera captured. But the real killer feature is ProMotion 120 Hz. Once you experience the fluidity of a 120 Hz refresh rate on a 32-inch canvas, you can never go back to a standard monitor. It makes the very act of moving a cursor feel like high art. But a screen is only as good as the brain behind it. Tucked behind that glass is the M5 Ultra, a chip that defies the laws of thermodynamics. Built on the 2-nanometer process, the M5 Ultra is essentially two M5 Max chips fused together with Apple's UltraFusion interconnect. We are talking about 192 gigabytes of unified memory with a bandwidth that exceeds 800 gigabytes per second. In the USA market, where time is literally money for freelancers and studios, the M5 Ultra is a profit-generating machine. Tasks that used to take an hour to render now happen in minutes. It isn't just fast, it's instant. You can play back multiple streams of 8K ProRes video while simultaneously running a 3D simulation in the background without a single dropped frame. Now, let's address the thermal miracle. How do you fit an ultra-class chip into a body this thin without it melting? Apple has completely redesigned the internal cooling. Utilizing a dual-fan vapor chamber system and a back panel made of high-conductivity aluminum alloy, the iMac Pro moves air with almost zero noise. You can be at 100% CPU